Wall Street, a place synonymous with relentless motion and complex data, often appears to be a chaotic dance of numbers. But beneath this surface, mathematicians and quants tirelessly seek order, patterns, and predictive power. Their tools are often hidden, elegant, and sometimes, surprisingly asymmetrical. For centuries, understanding signals, be they sound waves, light, or stock prices, relied heavily on Fourier analysis. It brilliantly dissects the signal into its constituent frequencies, revealing a symphony of sine waves. But financial markets are not a steady orchestra. They are a dynamic, often erratic jazz improvisation. Traditional Fourier methods struggle with this dynamism. They tell us what frequencies are present over an entire time period, but not they occurred. A sudden market crash or a rapid shift in volatility gets blurred, averaged out across the entire data set, losing crucial localized information. This is where wavelets emerge as a game changer. Imagine a mathematical microscope that can zoom in on specific moments in time, analyzing high-frequency events without losing the broader context. Wavelets are small, localized waves that allow for simultaneous analysis of a signal in both time and frequency. Among the most powerful are Daubechies Wavelets, named after the brilliant mathematician Ingrid Daubechies. What makes them so peculiar, so fascinating, is their inherently asymmetrical geometry. Unlike the smooth, symmetrical sine waves, Daubechies wavelets are often lopsided, irregular, and almost fractal in their construction. Their strength lies in two key properties: compact support and vanishing moments. Compact support means they are non-zero only over a finite, short interval, allowing for pinpoint accuracy in time. Vanishing moments enable them to ignore smooth, polynomial trends, effectively filtering out noise and highlighting sharp changes. This asymmetrical, localized precision is incredibly powerful for financial data. Market movements are rarely smooth and symmetrical. They are characterized by sudden spikes, rapid declines, and periods of intense volatility. Daubechies wavelets can precisely capture these abrupt changes, which traditional methods might smooth over. In quantitative finance, Daubechies wavelets are deployed across various applications, enhancing algorithmic trading strategies, refining risk management models, and even in the detection of arbitrage opportunities. Their ability to decompose financial time series into different frequency components helps quants isolate market trends from noise. For instance, they are exceptional at denoising highly volatile data, allowing analysts to see the underlying price action more clearly. They can also help identify abrupt shifts in market regimes or detect anomalous trading patterns that might indicate manipulation or a significant market event, precisely because they excel at localizing change. Compared to classic statistical tools or even simpler wavelet families, the Daubechies family offers an unparalleled ability to represent signals efficiently, especially those with discontinuities or sharp features. This efficiency translates directly into more robust models and potentially greater predictive power in fast-moving markets. The strange nature of their construction, derived from complex mathematical iterations rather than simple trigonometric functions, mirrors the often unintuitive, nonlinear reality of financial systems. Their asymmetry is not a flaw, it's a feature, perfectly adapted to a world that rarely follows elegant, symmetrical paths. As financial markets grow ever more complex and data-rich, the role of sophisticated algorithms powered by mathematical innovations like Daubechies wavelets will only expand. They offer a unique lens, allowing us to perceive the strange, asymmetrical geometry that truly powers the algorithms driving Wall Street.